Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today TV. Yesterday, there was an update and a jubilation of some sort over the fact that there will be an emergency hearing and the discussion of bail terms for Nnamdi Kanu. Well, there is an update coming from the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu. I'm talking about Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor, and the sit-at-home order that may be likely be going on in Southeast over this whole matters. We're going to sum this up into one. But before we go into the news proper, I would like you to subscribe to Global Happenings Today TV by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Ifeanyi Ejiofor, the lead counsel to the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, has confirmed and given update on the next hearing in the treasonable felony charges preferred against Nnamdi Kanu by the Nigerian government. This was even as indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, had asked residents of the southeast not to sit at home on Thursday as his leader Nnamdi Kanu goes to court. Ima Powerful Media and Publicity Secretary of Ipob, in a statement partly said, "We wish to inform Biafrans, friends of Biafra and lovers of freedom that our leader Nnamdi Kanu will be in court today, December 2nd, 2021, in Abuja. We urge Biafrans living in Abuja and its environs to come out en masse to solidarize with our leader. There will be no lockdown in any part of Biafra land as a result of this court appearance. Biafrans residents in Biafra land as well as visitors to Biafra land are free to go about their lawful businesses without fear of molestations or intimidation. We have not authorized or asked anybody to monitor or enforce any lockdown. Again, there will be no lockdown in Biafra land for today's court appearance of our leader." However, hinting on the matter against Kanu through a 10 statement, on Wednesday, Barrister Ejiofor expressed gratitude to lovers of rule of law and also confirmed that 2nd December 2021 for the appearing of the pending applications. He also applauded them for their continued support and further solicited for their fervent and unrelenting prayers for the detained pro-Biafran leader and the goals set out to be achieved. Ejiofor wrote, "Update on the next hearing in our client Nnamdi Kanu's case." He said, "Greetings, Umu Chineke. We wish to notify you that Nnamdi Kanu's case has been fixed for 2nd December 2021 at the Federal High Court, Abuja, for the hearing of our pending applications. As always, your fervent prayers are solicited. Victory is our only goal and it will surely be achieved. Thank you all for your support and prayers thus far." This has triggered a lot of reactions. Don't forget that some hours ago, and the AGF, that's the AGF Malami, that's Minister of Justice, representing the Federation, Minister of Federation in Nigeria, was saying that, or is saying that the court case is not a, it's not a roller coaster, and it's not a, they're not going to grant him grant some kind of pardon of some sort, and rather it's that the whole thing go through its processes, and it's of the opinion that if Nnamdi Kanu wants the court case, it wants to be pardoned, then it should actually, technically speaking, it should be convicted first before pardon, because in Nigeria context, pardon comes with conviction based on what he said, technically speaking anyway. But of course, Nigerians have reacted to this. A lot of Nigerians, those also support for and against the whole agitation, have decided to air their views. This one here is saying, I think them in very quick succession. This one here is saying, all Igbo should please conduct themselves carefully and watch all their business and their means of livelihood during this season. Before you return home for Christmas, keep your goods properly, please. Don't travel, alone. I wonder why he said that. Is there something going on? Okay, some person says a good advice, David. I wonder why he said that. They shouldn't travel alone. Why? Well, this maybe it's for security reasons. He has his reasons for saying what he said. Honestly, I wish he could elaborate on this. If there's some sinister moves, well, time will tell. This one here is saying, no, continue to sit at home. Why now? This one here answered him, said, what does sit at home have to do with keep your goods properly while traveling? That's why you fail your examination. Sarcasm. This one here is saying, we are watching and waiting. Hope some people will sign shorty. And if he runs to Europe or UK and starts broadcasting Biafra, the truth is, maybe some people do not understand. There is emergency hearing. I guess they want to allow it to go through. But from the little we heard from AGF Malami, it may not be bail terms per se, based on what Aloy Ejiofor what Ifeanyi Ejiofor said. He said it's a case of they are pending applications. They want to go through it, hear it all, and so they can go through it. But if, of course, there will be a bail charges looked into, why? That would be nice. But the question is, I wonder how stringent it will be this time, because I don't see it being a roller coaster. And from the little we've heard AGF Malami speak, except of course we are hearing political talks. Other than that, I see the case moving normally, as a normally. But of course, if they also consider the fact that the elders of the land, I'm talking about Amechi, who had gone to see the president and asked on his behalf to Nnamdi Kanu be released to him, I think by all means they could look into it. But for the little we heard from AGF Malami, say that is not really on the table for now. It may be, but so when they get to that bridge, they will cross it, which means for the now, it is not yet on that bridge. And it is very serious one, because a lot of people are expecting so much today. A lot of people are expecting that today is going to be what is going to be the bill terms. If the last one was 300 million, and the likes of Senator Onyine Abaribe was there to short about 100 million, another rabbi shorted 100 million, and some other person, I think there were three, and it was even done within 24 hours. Within 18 hours, 300 million was brought out, and a sitting senator was signed. But I don't know if they will still call Senator Onyine Abaribe to sign. But if they call him, I have this gut feeling that he will still sign again. That man is one man that is on the word of his own. He doesn't condemn the freedom fighting, but only just saying that let there be equity and justice. And it's not hard, it's not too much to ask anyway, judging the fact that Nigeria right now needs equity, needs justice, it needs security, it needs fair hearing. Honestly, if you can get all those things, Nigeria may be on the track to greatness again, judging the fact that by the time we get insecurity sorted out and corruption removed, expunged, equity, justice put in place, then of course Nigeria will be a great nation. But that is one tall order that the decadence and corruption in the system will not even allow it to be, except of course the miraculous take place. Well, I guess that's how we're going to wrap it up. I wish the legal team all the success they can get in this. I wish all the success they can get. I also wish Mazen can all the success. I just hope and pray that justice takes its full course in this case. That's where we're going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take?